This is the sector that challenges and rewards your skills with new opportunities every day of the week. A Certificate 4 program will give students everything they need to be successful at HR jobs. Excellent communication abilities combined alongside leadership qualities makes our graduates really stand out from others who are vying after these same positions. Nurturing a career in human resource management is a very fruitful venture, and it requires the candidates to be ever ready for all the challenges that come their way. The right mentoring and course outline is sure to set you off on the right pathway, and with the certificate program, we provide you everything you need to know for a rewarding career. Every employer is constantly looking for employees with credentials and qualifications that go beyond. With the certification in human resource management, your resume will be held in higher regard than your fellow candidates. It reflects your passion and commitment towards the field, which is sought after by companies all over. The HR certification is sure to push you forward in your career a long way, as you are fully equipped with the right skills to become a HR professional. It also makes you a more adaptable professional with a wide variety of skills and knowledge in the field. With this course, you will outshine your competition and supercharge your career trajectory with better salary packages as well. Let us not forget that the sector's biggest asset is humans. With the HR certification, you are fully equipped with every tool that is necessary for the right management of people and their needs. A better understanding of the people's psyche helps the company progress forward and helps in addressing the right goals and concerns aptly. Even in the sector of HR, there are constant innovations and changes. Since the industry is heavily dependent on technologies, any change in them will bring in a wave of new skills that need to be learnt. The certification programs help you keep up with these trends so that you are always aware and on top of your game. The course is specially designed for everybody who aims to work in the human resource management sector for a fulfilling career. The different tools required for the optimal functioning of the sector is trained with alongside a foundational knowledge base. It could enable you to work with multinational companies and handle multiple responsibilities regarding human resource functions. With multiple options available like Certificate for HR Online, as the mode of study, all you need to find is the time and passion for the process.